Well, here we go. Somebody coming up the branch for Sidney branch. SD40-2. Pair of them. This is the Sidney local. Wish it would focus. There we go. There we go. They're running up to Sidney, Montana from Glendive. They also run up the main bridge and the High Line. The local from there that goes to Williston. There's a nice wheel. Oh, they're a rusty old raw hopper. I'll be back in the morning, probably 4 in the morning, with whatever they collect in Sidney, the main bridge, and bring back. Here comes Fred. See the head end way out there now. There we go.